Be confident in anything that you wear. Carry yourself up. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Blanche, and if you're already part of this beautiful family, I say I hail you and I say welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I want to share with you few tips. I'm not even if it's 1 or 2 tips on shopping or dressing on a budget. Guys, this is something that I literally have been doing, or these are a few things that I've been doing when it comes to my fashion, or when it comes to me, dressing and not spending a lot on clothes. I feel like because in the UK we have this mentality, or abroad generally we have this mentality of, oh my god, if I've worn something one time, I feel like I don't want to wear it anymore. I feel like, oh, they've seen me with this outfit, blah 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 blah, so I need to change. Guys, listen, you have to put that mentality in the bin, because you see, when it comes to clothes, it's how you pair it, how you mix it, and how you're being creative about that particular outfit. So number 1 tip for today is sale. Guys, you see sales when things are on sale, jump on it. I'm talking fly. And when you see, maybe the brand will send you like an email to say, oh, we're about to have this sale, or we have this sale going on, jump on it. Because guess what, when it's full price, I bet you'll be crying. You must have lost that opportunity, and that's you paying more. Okay, so my number 1 tips will be sales. Grab those stuff that you've put in your favorite, the stuff that you've always wanted. Be in the lookout for that. And the emails that you've subscribed to, the brands, the clothing brands that you've subscribed to, send you emails, check on that, because they have seasonal sales. And when they have clearances as well, if you're living around the town area, you pop into shop, they're having clearances, guys, do not hesitate, pick up some stuff, because there you're paying like literally 1/4 of what the full price would originally be. That's you saving money. So take advantage of sales, because that's what I've been doing. Okay, the second tip I want to share with you is getting like these thrifting items. Like, let's say you can go to like this outlets where they sell like this designer stuff, on online like Vinted, where people have actually they're selling their designer stuff on there, because they've probably used it 1 or 2 times and they're giving it out, they're selling it. Grab it, because guess what, they've only worn it probably 1 time or 2 time max. I'm telling you, everything is still looking really, really brand new. You can get it for like really, really affordable. That's another secret, that you can dress on the budget, really looking good. And also another tip is literally you just trying to be creative. Guys, use Pinterest. Go on Pinterest. I used to go on Pinterest when I want to like create looks. If I'm like really running out of ideas, I'll go on Pinterest. I would say, okay, if I have like a pair of jeans, I'll be like, start different ways of styling jeans. I will look at those different ways, and I'll just look around my wardrobe. I have the jean already, I'm just looking at how other people are wearing it, or how other people are pairing it, and I'll look for it in my wardrobe. I bet you I'll find at least 2 or 3 of those outfits, and I'll pair with my jeans, and that's already creating a look. Okay, slay on a budget. You don't have to go shopping all the time. Every single time you're going to spend money, you're not going to save. You're not going to be able to carry out that project, I'm telling you. So when it comes to this fashion look and stuff, you have to be creative. Okay, that's another tip. So go to Pinterest, or you go online, search for how to style stuff, or even on YouTube, become how to style denim jeans, how to style short skirts, how to style the different dresses or shirts or anything. You would see different, and then you go to your wardrobe and you realize you have most of those stuff in your wardrobe. You did not just have the idea or that creative mind to pair them. Now you know. So go ahead and start styling your stuff already in your wardrobe. There is no need to go buy new stuff. Okay, that's tip number 3. And tip number 4, guys, use discounts. You see this, there's some apps that when you register and then you want to shop on any other website, if it's clothing brand, it gives you discounts. It literally fracture your money, like take out a lot, and you end up paying not even up to 50% of what you were originally supposed to pay if you did not go through the app. So make use of all these discounted apps. Okay, I'm gonna do research on some, because I don't really use it, but I know a lot of people around me that use these discount apps, like to literally get stuff, and then they get to save a lot of money after purchasing. So I'm literally going to do research, and I see if I can link one or two of the apps that you guys can go ahead and download and use, because it is very, very important, guys. I've seen people around me that use it, that for example, if you want to shop for like £100, as soon as they put everything in their basket, it chops off everything they end up paying, maybe £70 or something. That's you saving at least £20 or £30, which is money that can get you a lot of other stuff. Okay, so yes, use the discount kind of shopping app you can find. And the last thing I want to say is about fashion: be confident in anything that you wear. Carry yourself up. Because let me tell you something about fashion. Sometimes it's not even about what you're putting on, it's expensive or not. It's about how you carry yourself in whatever you're putting on. So I can wear a basic dress like this, and because of the way I carry myself in this dress, people will be like, girl, that girl is so stylish. It's nothing too crazy. They will just look at the way I put myself. I have that confidence in whatever I'm putting on. Have that confidence in anything that you wear when it comes to fashion. I promise you. Okay, these are literally my five tips, or the things that I've literally been using to actually dress on a budget. So if you actually enjoyed this video, thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me for more content like this. And also, please do not forget to follow me on my TikTok and on my Instagram. I'll literally be leaving the handles in the description box below. And do not forget to check out my online store, guys. If you're interested in starting digital marketing, like selling digital courses, start affiliate marketing, even starting your own business in the online space, how to be a content creator, monetize, start working with brands, let me know. Get one of my courses and let me mentor you. Okay, let me help you get these coins, because in 2025 we are saying no to brokenness. We are saying yes to soft life, on holidays, enjoy with our family, be able to accomplish and achieve all the dreams that we've always wanted, because guess what, we all deserve it. So if this sounds like you, do not hesitate to get one of our courses, or do not hesitate to leave something in the comments for me to reach out to you and we can talk about it. Okay, let me know in the comments what you want to see next, because you know what, I'm here to give you guys this content. I'm here to literally help you guys. And also, let me know if you want to see a day in my life as a full-time mom, full-time entrepreneur, full-time content creator. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to do a day in my life and I'm going to show you guys how it is. If you want to know any tips, if you've got any question, please leave it in the comments and I'm literally going to be responding. Okay, I love you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you guys on my next video. Bye.